Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by auditing real trade records so you know what's broken. Export CSV logs and check timestamps immediately. Once done, confirm client and server versions match and that sync latency is under 1 minute because desyncs create phantom trades. Next, record baseline prices for the 10 most traded fish to establish a control. Make sure to isolate intermittent errors by running a short test trade sequence. This tells you whether the problem is systemic or situational. You now reproduce the issue in a controlled environment to see how the system behaves. Run identical inventory trades in a sandbox and watch the order book versus execution logs. This reveals mismatches between intent and result. Once you capture discrepancies, trace calculations for rounding, fees, and price ticks because small errors cascade in volume. Also validate network latency and integer overflows in price fields. Fix the first upstream cause. Then retest sequences until the simulated market behaves predictably. You finalize by applying precise fixes to matching logic or rounding routines, then deploy to staging. Run a 24-hour stress test with representative load so you see production-like behavior. Once done, compare trade metrics to your baseline and ensure variance is below 1%. This proves effectiveness. If anything looks wrong in staging or production, roll back immediately, collect end-to-end logs and sample trades, and escalate to a core engineer. One troubleshooting tip: if trades still
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.